Hi, I'm going to talk to you about Google Drive and what you can use it for in your classroom. So you can go to google.com/drive, and if you do not already have a Gmail account or a Google account, you can create one and use for everything associated with Drive. Within Drive, you can create, if you hit New, Google Docs, which is similar to Word or Pages, Google Sheets, which is similar to Excel, Google Slides, which is similar to PowerPoint, and more. So there's also Google Forms, which can allow you to create online quizzes or allow you to do surveys of your students, polls to see preferences and interests. And everything is connected in one place. So Google Drive is the home to store all of these different kinds of projects. I like to organize by folders, so you can upload folders from your computer. So if you already have a folder full of materials for your Form 1 English class, you can upload that folder right into your Drive. But I'm going to start from scratch here, so we're going to call this is our test run folder, but let's call it English Form 1. Create. And then in this, I can put new, or I can upload files from my computer. So let's say that I want to put in this folder the resource about how to look for reliable sources and using the OPVL strategy. I can put this in the folder. So here you see the strategy. And if I want to share this with my students, then I can right click on it and I can get a shareable link. It says right now it's private, it's not shared. So I can turn it on and go to shared settings. And then if I turn this to anyone with the link can view it, save, then I can copy this link and send it to all of my students and they can access it. Now let's say I want my students to have a place where they can collaborate. What I do is I create a doc and I put the different group names. So group 1, students in group 1 can collaborate here. Now, when I share this, I'm going to get the shareable link. I'm going to do more. Anyone with the link, but what I'm going to do is instead of view it, I'm going to say can edit. Now, whoever I give this link to for the group 1 document can actually type on it, and they can all be typing on it at the same time. In this folder, if I would like to upload, let's say I have a PowerPoint that I want students to view, I can upload a PowerPoint. So here's my PowerPoint slides. But I'm looking for an actual PowerPoint so you can see what it looks like. And here we go, PowerPoint. So it'll take a minute to upload. Now it's here, see here, it's here as a PowerPoint rather than as Google Slides. To view it, you can preview it here by scrolling down, or students can download it to their own computer, or they can open it in Google Slides and it will be part of the Google Drive, Google Slides forms. And so it converts the PowerPoint into a Google Slides document, and you can edit it here in Google Slides. When you go back to your Google Drive folder, you'll see that the original PowerPoint is here as well as the new Google Slides document. So those are the three main ways that I use Google Drive in the classroom. I use it to share resources with students and to create folders so that all of the resources for a class are in one place for students. I use it to share lessons with students and as a place for students to collaborate using the editing function in the Google Documents. If you'd like to learn more, please let me know. I'd be happy to talk with you more.